Okay, hello, welcome back everybody, and today I'm so happy to be here to show you one of the best PC that money can buy, and it's really under 2K, to under $2,000, and the best of the best, the one that I I take risk myself, and I build it by myself, and this is my first time building it, and I'm so happy with the result. And today I want to share this PC with all of you around the world. So please, if you are new, or if you see this video and you haven't subscribed yet, so please hit that button. Just help me out. And without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys this is the best setup and why. So for the PC, as you guys can see over there, there's a PC. I'm gonna list all the part down there, down to the like the description. So if you want it, just buy it, and then I mean, you can twist between the graphic card and the CPU if you want to, but for this build, it probably the best overall. Yeah, and the reason why I said that, because I play Call of Duty, and you know how heavy Call of Duty is, and this PC run Call of Duties just like a baby. Smooth, fast, furious, and yeah, high FBS. I think right now it's around 190 to 200. That's crazy. Under $2,000 PC, and you can play Call of Duty without no worry. It's just like the best. It's just like the one for all like the the streamer and everything. So yeah, and I do video editing too, and it's fast too. So I just want to share. I don't know much about band march and a lot of like program, but for me this one is the best. And I'm in between here and then. I have a lot of trouble when I first built it, because I didn't know much about PC, about how to download and install all the program. But I spent the time. I dedicated myself. Some day that I couldn't sleep until like 2 a.m. and I trying to figure out how to make this PC the best, and how to fix all the bug, how to fix all these like the setting. So um the reason why I want to share this with you guys, because if you follow my build and you build the same thing, I'll be able to help you out with whatever the fault is, or whatever like here and there, but overall it's been a month, and this PC is so powerful right now. It's overclocked 4.3 hertz. um yeah, that's all I know. And I mean, it's fast, furious, and everything, really good. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see a little bit video about these build, and then yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Help me out. I don't look for much, only 1,000 subscriber, and I will be happy with that. And yeah, in the future probably I'm gonna go up in the future, maybe build another one. um but yeah, this graphic card I have, $450. It's like the best you can buy. $450, bro. $450 for a graphic card that can work just like a 1080 Ti. Oh my god, that's crazy. And until there's a lot of people that didn't like it, because they have so many problem with it. But I figured out how to do it, how to fix it, and everything. And for this build, the only thing that I require you to do is spend $20 more to buy a fan. Hold on, I'll show you the fan that I had right now. Yeah, There you go. So you can see here's the fan right here, and I put it on the front of the PC. Oh my God! And I can tell you right now, this is probably the best option that on the market. This is the best cooling. This is the best air cooling for $20. And you know, it's probably the best of the best. $20 for a cooling. It's cool the whole PC. It blow all the fucking hot air out. Oh my bad. I'm sorry. And you know, everything is the best of the best. And if any of you out there got a PC and you go in and you feel like, oh, this is not good, so you comment below. Let me know what is going on, and so I can fix it. You know, but for the money, this is the best PC at all time. And this is my first build. Welcome to Tin Wolf PC 2020, baby.